Usembut Menteri Rang Bak Jela ubak pres tun song hakasi balang jong katayo uloong bak sarkar jela kan phah baroh ke MLA ke jela ya ka kaiphod jingtohkit halor ke jingkynnoh bamsap ha ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kata ka MeECL bat yo Khaw jong katnat social welfare. Habaikran beginong pathai kubor ubak pres tun song uloong ba ka sarkar kam dan kam ban ra apo yin robar thau an ya ka kaiphod jingtohkit halor ke jingkynnoh bamsap yo Khaw katnat social welfare bat ka MeECL. Kumba ka sarkar kla ra ka kaiphod jingtohkit halor ke jingsak siat yap unong yalam berim ke LC ubak cheris de field thank you ha ke yin robar thau an ke jela bat ula pencai ba ka commission ke appear na ka committee. Uloong bak sarkar ka kwa ban buri AA ka kaiphod jingtohkit halor Khaw bat ke MeECL. Kumta ka sarkar kan phah ikini ki kaiphod baroh ke MLA kenang bakin yo ban pej bat puli ki. Kuman supun kan mau hadian bagi pulit ke Assam kila yo kurup ya hadu lai pulai hajar berni Khaw jong ke jela Meghalaya napok jela Assam ka sarkar jela kala thong ya ka kenhun tohkit ke balaj lut ban tohkit halor ke ni jingja. Ka sarkar jela kala thongru ya ka kenhun tohkit ke balaj lut halor ke jingkynnoh ba ka don ke jing bamsap ha ke MeECL. Bat ka sarkar kala depru ban yok pediang ya ka kaiphod jingtohkit na ki kenhun tohkit ki balaj lut hanrei kampat pen bena pat bak setia ya ke jinglap jong kini ki kenhun tohkit.
We are spending not less than 150 crores monthly. Where are we earning only 75 crores monthly? So you understand the losses is huge. We cannot even reach to 75%. It's 50-50. So therefore, I agree, we accepted that. But at the same time, we are examining all those points raised by the CAG, and then some corrective measures has to be taken by power department along with the corporation. So we are examining all these issues one by one.
Hakabaide berkejungkular ke TMC bahkan penduk si sendar niki kasino nakaliang ubak prestun tensong ulaong ba menteri rang ba ula keren syai kedar ba kejeng ai provisional license ban shna ya ka kasino kan sayap hino bat ka sarkar kla pensange bat kanom ya chakmat kat ba kampat yo kejeng menjer naki babun balang halor kejeng dawa ki babun balang ban penduk no ka an khalai usembut menteri rang ba ulaong ba kalong kebadan kam ban penteri kam ya ka an ban perking ya ki kam khalai ki bala don lepa nadu ka tho tim ka jinge dur masi ka jinge kop kwai dok kha ka jackpot ba ki be uloong ba lawan ra khnang ya ka ni ka an kalong ban pen perking ya ki kam khalai ki bala don lepa khnang ba kenem la ban le kat ba ki mon hanrei ki di ban long hapo jong ki kendon jing betha.
See, because some NGOs also they said repeal the act of gambling regulation. But let me tell you, when we talk about gambling, all types of gambling, be it deer, be it that what they call it bullfight, be it fishing, that also is gambling. But what we see all those years, what happened was we don't have regulation. When you don't have regulation, we need to regulate. We can't stop because sometimes it's a livelihood. And then we do have that jackpot activities in Shillong. I think you know it well. That time there was no regulation, so we need to regulate it. That's why, including casino, the public, their concern is about casino. They don't talk about regulation of gambling, but they are concerned about the casino. So therefore, that day CM, when he replied inside the house, he said, we stop it until and unless. Stop means we stop issuing license. And then number two, we will have to carry along everybody with the stakeholders. Then if the stakeholder still says no, means no. Because see, if you talk in terms of, generation of revenue, yes, it is true. If we set up casino, it will be there. But at the same time, we need to respect the sentiments of our people in the state of Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rambak Kajela ula penkesan bagi Trop Kit Doyong babat kaseng New Trap Integrated Territory Organization kata ka hito kidai ki babyang ye ki kot kisla ni ki calan. Bat ki khayi Doyong kat kum ki kendon an bat ka ong ba ki pulet kemla ban kentat ye ke ejahar kabala ujor persya ki Trop ki bakhayi Doyong klem ka jing biang ki calan. Ulai thu ba ka jing sam calan Doyong seginong khayi la sim kyahi da ka Coal India Limited. Dak badili lam yo Doyong duna ya ka silak metric ton. Bat kinu gi bayo eki calan kila ban khayi Doyong. Uba prestun bloong ba ka jing dili lam yo Doyong hakathan Jainte Hills kalakut. Bat menta ka sarkar kadang penkre ban lilam sayo Doyong na po kathan West Khasi Hills bat Garo Hills.
That's what I'm saying, where is the illegal transportation? Because now auction has taken place. You knew it well. And that also the process done by the Coal India. And then not less than now, almost 1 lakh metric ton has been auctioned. And then those people who got the chalan, then they are traveling. I mean, the trucks are moving. This is legal, not illegal. It is legal. That is legal as per the chalan. Because why? That's what I'm telling you. This process has been completed. Done by whom? By the Coal India. They auction. Because we do have 31 plus almost 32 lakhs metric ton. So out of that, I think not less than 1 lakh metric ton auction process completed. And then chalan issued. That's what why you keep asking me this question. I said, why not you name all those other members of that high level committee? Who's that high level? Because as I said to you, don't just listen from Tom, Dick and Harry. If they just say like that, it's not a gospel truth. If you really want from the media media house, why don't you please kindly find out the truth? Whether these trucks plying on the road, is it without paper or is it with paper? Is it with chalan or is it without chalan? With that itself, I'm telling you, you will know everything.
Uba Preston Tunsong, ubalong ru National Vice President jok NPP, ula ther kala ya unong aiktien ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC usaket go khale. Ba upersang ban penkol markli ikipat ba hakabay day ba kajing pentre kam ya ka Shillong Smart City Project. Uloong ba uni unong yalam upersang ban penkol markli tang nakabenta kajing mento yala die haka kam san perthai. Hanrei ka sarkar ka download ya baroh ki kot kisla haka jing pentre kam ya ka Smart City Project. Uba prestun ula bu jing keli kela ya unong aiktien ka AITC ba menu ka Kolkata Smart City Limited kala ai ka jing kenjing dia halor ka jing yo ba ka jing pelut ka pisa namar kila sedang ya ka ni ka project na du usnam 8000 khat rio. Hanrei ka Meghalaya kala sedang haus nam 8000 khat pra 8000 khat khandai. Nakaliang usaket go khale ula kop kelai uba prestun tunsong bania tainia markhmat hakabede bekajing syak kenok bamsap ke sarkar jela Meghalaya bat ula kuntu yu sembut menteri rangba ke jela ban pediang ye kajing terwa bania tainia hakmat kila patai kubor kanang bagi patba ke jela kentip manu badai bat manu balai.
Who's that General Secretary guy? I don't want to. If he wants, if he's concerned, let him come to Shillong. Find out things. Why should we? Why should only just because of that statement? When I talk about the smart city Shillong Limited, he said blah 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 blah. So, but ultimately, everything is there, black and white. So these people means they are just trying to create confusion for the political mileage. But everything is in paper. So why not? I will also ask him his Kolkata Smart City Limited. Tell me when was the statement of account filed? Let him tell me when was filed, because they started from 2016 and we started from 2018-19.